this is baby number 20. I don't think it looks like a bull calf, but we'll see. You're a good mama. So far, our heifers, which Little Bit's one of our heifers. This is her first time baby. So far, all of our heifers, oh, with the exception of 24. Now, 24, she was a little bit more aggressive about it. She didn't try to kill him, but so far, they've been all good. Yeah. Is that your baby? Oh, Little Bit. So just a little background story on Little Bit here. She was probably, I'm going to say 3, maybe 4 months old when her mama got sick. Her mama looked just like her. And she got sick, and we did everything we knew how to do to try to get her better, but it just wasn't working. So Chris had to put her down. So we put her on grain. We put a little bit on grain and kept her off to the barn out of the winter. And so she didn't have no mama from 3 months on. So she's a little spoiled, but she's going to be a good mama. She's going to be a real good mama. So she drank a whole bottle of colostrum. It's a little heifer. Chris sprayed her umbilical cord. Mama's giving her some kisses. She got a multi-min shot, and now she's getting ready to get her tag. She's going to see if Mama's got anything for her. She's like, let me go back here and see what's going on. So sometimes heifers don't understand the nursing process with their calf. But I almost think she's let her nurse. I'm not sure. We'll just have to keep an eye on her. They eventually figure it out. Sometimes we have to take them to the barn, help them, but I almost think that I almost think she's nursed on the rear there, because it looks down. She looks down in the rear. Calf number 21.
Get out of here. Get it.
And the donkeys are in the middle of everything. Rico, you're gonna get in big trouble. Uh-oh. He did not like that. Heifer.
Yeah, let's get this first so it squeals. Where's the shot? Honey? Honey?
Get back, Mama. Get back. All these babies. Baby. Boy, she's taking him way off. Look at that. Or her. He said there's a heifer. We ain't gonna get this one till it's laying down, I don't think. We're not ready. Maisie, I'll give you a treat in a minute. We're in the middle of something. We're in the middle of something. Hold on.
It open? Never is.
I think you shut it before you put it up. Because we had a leaking problem. What is it?
Heifer?
Okay.
There you go.
I got yours, but you have to wait. We gotta see if 19 is gonna take one. Isaiah, if you fall, it's gonna be a hard fall, okay?
Yeah.
Which means I'm moving. That's what that means.
Aim for Mindy. She'll all them coats on. She'll soften the blows.
What you gonna do up there, honey?
Fix more damage from the hurricane.
More.
I never got to finish last time.
So, yeah, we're still cleaning up after Hurricane Helene, which we're very fortunate, of course, but here at the farm, things get done when things can get done. So, this barn, the corner of the roof up here on the very top side, it got peeled back. Well, they've got it laid down and got screws in it, but he's going to put some pitch on it just so it doesn't leak, because this barn holds all the hay, and we don't want it to get wet. You won't roll off as long as you stand there and be good.
Oh, who else is supposed to throw stuff at me?
Right. You're just spotting Chris. Oh, Lordy.
Half inch, you look sleeve. That
Right.
ladder looked like a dog crapping a peach seed. It was shaking bad. Oh, that's nice.
God, don't let it fall. Okay.
You made it
down safely. Congratulations.
Got her up there too. Got her on good and thick.
No leaks?
She was putting it on thick, and I was too. So we were just checking all the animals, and I've got a cow that had her baby. Don't know what it is yet. We just got up, so it's got to have its shots and tags and sprayed.
What is it?
Heifer.
Good morning. So we're here in Georgetown. The gentleman that leased the bull, we're getting him and then taking him to another lady that always leases a bull from Chris every year. So we're going to take him and over to her. But we're in the process of transferring him. We're going to transfer him from his trailer to our trailer. The problem is he doesn't have a slide door. His door just opens, but he's got the bull cut to the front of the trailer, so we're gonna see how this goes.
You got 1.5 feet. Keep coming 1 foot. Whoa, perfect.
He's got to pull up a little bit so he can get in there.
Pull on out and I'll get in there.
Good job. Hi, buddy. Hi.
Give him some more butt room.
Hey. You look good. Hi,
He
buddy.
didn't give you no trouble, did he?
Gonna go see more girls.
No, girls.
What's wrong with your limpy one there?
Oh, that's Katie's pet. Last year at his house, he did something to stifle. So,
Chris. So we're bringing all the herd in. We got babies to vaccinate. There's 27 babies. Babies to vaccinate. There's 10 bull calves that we got to ban. And there's, I don't know, 5 or 8 mamas we need a pre-check. We got one in labor. I don't really want her to go, so I'm going to try to divert Chris off from taking her.
Wait one though. That one can go. That one can go. That one can go.
This part makes me nervous because we got these babies in here and they're so little. Hi, baby. Hi, babies. You guys got to get your shots today. Yes. Healthy calves. We got to have some healthy babies.
I think yours are quicker anyway.
I don't know if it'd be better now without the lock on them.
Say, Stevie.
yeah.
Got Steve.
Go on, buddy.
She is now. She...
Look at these.
Please. Man, the tails are all covered in birds.
I know, it's horrible this time of year. Cutting into your flesh.
I'd rather do that than being here.
Didn't eat beans.
I'd rather do that than being here.
I thought you said eat beans. I was like, what?
Let me just put on these two.
I dropped the damn brick on my left foot yesterday. The shoes hold up pretty good.
Yeah, that handle will be like electricity.
I don't know.
Do it.
You want to do it, Kelsey?
Yeah.
What's her number?
I'm holding the rubber though.
All my grip is like gone.
What happens if I hold the rubber? I won't get shocked, will I?
I think we needed the shorter ones, honey.
No.
I don't think it's rubber. I think it's plastic.
And plastic's an insulator, you'll be fine.
I don't know if that's his shirt. Science testing.